Here's my exhaust I got from my buddy Taylor. Paid like $210 for this and the gasket.
Jesus fuck, man.
What? Big Dipper got a pack of Dipper.
What is that, a 4?
Yeah, I think. I don't know.
Man, it's gonna sound like fuck, hey?
Man, you're gonna put that in the video.
No, I'll bleep it out, it'll be funny.
Yeah, it's a ISR performance. And then honestly, if it's like really bad, I could just like bolt this off and just like put a new muffler on and just have no muffler.
Nah, fuck that.
You know, just
wait, it has a muffler on it? Oh, it does. That hurts.
Well, actually, just Adam, let's just take up the headers.
We'll drill some holes in her, man.
The manifold.
Drill some holes right here, here, and here.
Be fucking.
No, let's just take off my manifold. Let's open headers.
Holy shit. Okay, we'll fucking jack her up then, buddy.
All right. I got the one bolt out. Noah's just getting the second one out on the where the cat goes. I'm gonna pull this bitch nugget out. Noah got the exhaust hangers off the back. And yeah. Are you sure it's a 13? Nelson, can you see if the 13's going on?
No, I mean like, grab a...
This man and the lefty Lucy. God damn it. Dude, it's definitely not a 13. When you rebuild your engine, it leaks oil like a motherfucker.
Pass me the wrench, Nelson.
A liquid wrench? Oh, man, look at that. Good wrench. Wrench? Yeah, I want to see it. Sorry. This isn't even chode length fitment now, this is mandingo length fitment. Holy dick. What?
Matt, we use coilovers when you just like raise one side of your car.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking tight, man.
Just like have one side raised just the entire time. Just never move your car. Just have it parked. Like boom. Wait, yo, boys. Right by the sticker, Moist Boys sticker right here.
Oh yeah. www.moistboys.bigcartel.com.
And then also you can buy the air freshener.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
www.moistboys.bigcartel.com.
Wait, after Moist Boys, what is it?
.bigcartel.com.
Big Cart.
Big Cartel.
BigCartel.com. Okay. www.boysboys.bigcartel.com.
Yep. It's in the bag, man. Next video.
Next video, you know, coming up next July.
Next season.
Next season, because
the snow melts.
Yeah, when the snow's all gone, you know, like look at that snow. Throwing these on next season. When you go to work in your car at your friend's house and they do all the work.
Yeah, dude, this is value.
Moist Boys zip ties. www.moistboys.bigcartel.com.
Free pussy.
Oh, buddy, be careful, man. I'm trying to sell this.
See, man, you do have a fucking test bike. Man, you look like Doodle Bob. Man, Doodle Bob it. Fucking Doodle Bob looking ass. Bitch ass. Studley, man. Oh, the fucking shiny minky one's going in me. Jesus fuck,
you want to throw this one first? Wait, no. You have any like stuff you can like throw under it so it don't scratch? Give her, buddy.
Fucking good catch, buddy.
Hey, buddy, I'm Canadian. I play hockey, not baseball, eh?
Nelson, the muffler's not gonna be back there. The muffler's the only thing you don't want to get scratched.
Man, you're gonna be fucking scraping this thing on the ground when you get coils on anyway.
Fuck.
Yo, throw some zip ties on it.
I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
Yeah, just give her your best shot, buddy.
Okay. So we right here get some Tim Hortons, eh? You know, eh?
No, he's appropriating our culture.
Yeah, I'm from Canada, eh? Play hockey, you know? Out here in the hockey in the winter, eh?
Nelson, you give us whatever
Man,
you
is
want.
this the bolt you were really using?
Yeah, the one that's 14 and 12 on my
Jesus
side.
Christ, man.
Why is it summer all of a sudden?
Because the snow's gotta go away for our cars, eh? 18-inch. Nana, hey, I'm gonna see you bust down. Bring it over. And bring that shit back. Just speed it up. You gotta throw that shit back on the gas. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Blue face, baby. You're welcome. You wanna hand me that? Yeah, work out.
New Moist Buzz air fresheners coming soon. Are all the hangers on?
Oh no, yeah, I'm just sitting there.
Those real diamonds?
Yeah.
Even the liquid range. MILF, man! Are you ready to give her a good? Okay, just pull everything out, lower it.
Yeah, give her a gooch, man.
Give her a fucking startup, eh, buddy?
Alright, get in.
Yeah, and do some pulls back and forth and then straight to the pizza store. Alright, start it up, buddy. Oh, is that gonna explode? Yeah, that's it.
Blows the engine.
Our fucking Chuvsky back and forth, buddy. Why is that tip so chode is ready?
That looks sick though. I want to slap.
Give her a fucking.
Honestly, not bad.
I hated that, right? Yeah, it's not too bad. That guy's not stoked walking the dog, eh? The thing's actually lifted. Sorry. Okay. The bum thing is you would get a noise complaint at noon,
Oh,
eh?
100% no doubt.
Nelson, you're fully on the sidewalk, eh?
But it's just like, it's a bit big because like these bolts don't like.
Don't worry, I'm an expert. I've literally done this all before. It's like the same as the rotary.
All he does is rev his car, but he knows. What the fuck is this plumbing ass bullshit, man?
Oh, work dog. Prime Moist Boys content.
Did you get that from Home Depot?
Actually, I did.
Oh, yo, I have bolts. Too late, man. I'm already going.
Man, he's not the fucking shit, bro.
You should just strip it.
Nelson, do you have the adapter? Oh yeah, you do.
How does that sound outside of a car?
Pretty good.
It's alright.
That sounds decently inside of a car.
It sounds okay. Just when you're really
sounds like a straight pipe Miata.
It sounds like a 4-cylinder.
Oh man, wait, in the Colo video, we should do a JDM count with me. I'm gonna say Jamie got punched.
Yeah, no one likes the fucking JDM count.
Wait, grab me a 12, sorry.
I'm hungry, man.
Wait, are we in Oak Bay or are we in Saanich?
Shout out, Marcus rolls up, fucking dual wielding the M16.
I don't need this anymore. And
I'm out of high school in the States. I like had a clown mask and like a fake machete. It was like in the parking lot.
Shot, man. You're in the States. They don't.
It was like for a couple of, like a quick second, and like I had like my fake machete, and I like stepped inside the car, and like some people just got scared. So I got back in my friend's car and we drove away. Literally, like 4 cop cars pull us over, and like the principal was like, you know, I could expel you. I was like, Yeah.
Delete.
Buddy, your fucking antler. This is the most cattywampus antler
Also,
I've
pass me
ever
that
seen.
gasket.
What?
Bro, in 2020 in August, Robbie Smart was free.
Plumbing pipe ass. Fucking rig ass. Of course, Buddy rolls up with the fucking Home Depot spec ass shit.
Here, wait. Here, step aside for a sec.
Fucking crappy tire, not even Home Depot. That's a 10.
Suck on it. Hold the hood even closed? Yeah.
Should I do a pull? Do a pull?
No. No one wants to fucking hear your exhaust, man.
I still want to feel it with the,
I'm just trying to do it. Fucking, we should've got carrier. Fuck, dog.
Hi boys, so there was the Home Depot ghetto exhaust, you know?
And intake. Fucking Home Depot intake, buddy.
Restart it. Alright boys, so we did the Home Depot intake and the chode length exhaust. Next video we're gonna do some quotes of my car, got some mad stance. And then make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit up Moist Boys, what's the website called? Yeah, moistboys.bigcartel.com. And skidoo!
Really fucking blew the skidoo. No, give us a real skidoo. Give us a true Canadian skidoo. From the